Here I'm in Duqiao Glasses City. As you can see, it's a massive indoor marketplace. Let's go. It covers a massive area and is filled with all sorts of glasses and eyewear shops and businesses. Duqiao is a town in Linhai and is one of the 4 largest eyewear centers in China. It has developed over more than 50 years, and there are now almost 2,000 eyewear companies here in Duqiao. Every year, 250 million pairs of sunglasses are made here, accounting for 30% of the national output. The eyewear products made here are exported to 50 countries and regions. So the glasses you're wearing may well have come from here. In the past few years, the development and the growth of Linhai has been remarkable, becoming more and more vibrant. The ambitious entrepreneurship, hard work, and the persistence of people in Linhai have made our small city in Zhejiang province on the eastern coast of China a big player in national and international markets. I'm so proud of this city, of my birth.